Right, how are you all doing? I know it's been a long time, but I'm back doing something a little bit different. Now, obviously, I'm known for vape reviews, all the rest of it. Let me have a quick vape. What I'm doing today is something completely different. Watch it and see. That's all I can say. What I've done forever since I was a kid was mess around with vehicles, do up motorbikes, do up cars, etc. And it's something that I still do. So I thought I'd share a little bit of the process with you today and do a polishing video. That's it, sweet and simple. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. If it's your first time watching, please hit subscribe. And we're going to change things up from the usual old channel and try and have a bit more of this sort of thing. So anyway, it's about polishing alley. Enjoy. I'll see you all in a minute. Yeah? See you later. Okay, folks. I thought I'd do a quick demo of polishing aluminium. I've got some foot peg and exhaust hangers off the XJR 1300 that we're restoring. Fucking shocking. One was polished, kind of, and then clear powder coated, which is an absolute cunt to get off. The other one was shot blasted, so it was rougher than a fucking badger's arse. Anyway, I'll take you through the steps, do a quick little bit by bit, and then we'll see how they turn out. Thank you very much. See you in a bit. Righto, here's one of the offending items. This one was shot blasted. Look, you can still see. Look, see that near my thumb? How fucking rough it was. Burnished it all over with 240 grit DA pad on the old trusty DA. I can't really demonstrate that because you need two hands, so that's a fucker. But you can see I've kind of got it all sort of torvelined all over, so the real bad pitting like we've got there has been smoothed out with a 240 grit, and that should give us a bit of a base to start polishing on the mops. There's still a bit of clear coat hanging around there, look. I'll either blade that off or get in again with the DA before we hit the mops. Super. So that's stage one. Okie dokie, stage two. We use a Sisal mop, so it's a stitched cloth. Look, these things are fucking proper tough as fuck. Load of string, basically, wound into a polishing mop. Don't get them on your bare skin, safety first, because they fucking sting like a bitch. And we're using a grey compound. Now, that's not typical for aluminium or brass or other non-ferrous. Normally we'd use a brown, which is a little bit finer, but because these are so rough, we're using the grey, yeah? So we load it on the mop, and then polish away on an area. Look, I've given that little focus a bit of a go. You can see where I've been trying to develop a shine and like an even matte sheen. All those scratches from the DA have gone away, and that takes us on to stage two, my old fruit. Okay, stage two, we use a brown. It's called a colour stitch mop. Let's find a big one, look. This one's like the Sisal, the stringy one, but it's actually soft cloth. It's all stitched together, coloured cloth, look. And as you can see there, typically is brown compound for the second cut, but again we're sticking with the old grey because these are so fucking rough. But look, that's second pass, so we're getting there. Not too shabby, not too shabby at all. And finally we're on to the soft, the final cut. So this is a soft, really floppy soft cotton mop. Really like these with a blue finishing compound, and we just give it a fucking right good buff up, and we get a finish that the camera won't focus on very well, but like that. So we've gone from that to that. Obviously these mops come in all shapes, sorry, all sizes, come in different thicknesses, different diameters. You can get tiny little ones, although that's not particularly tiny, but some really dinky little ones for getting in all the nooks and crannies. And come over here, here's one I finished earlier. Just pull my glove off. It still needs a quick going over by hand, just to get all the grease off from the polishing compound, but I'm sure you can see what a vast improvement it was, and that took me an hour. There's an hour's work there to get that shiny like that. There you go. So